Have you ever wondered how to build your own computer? It's not as daunting as it might seem. In fact, in just a few simple steps, you can have a functioning machine that's tailored to your needs and preferences. Today, we are going to explore the process, breaking it down into manageable parts. Step 1, it's all about planning. Decide what kind of computer you want to build. Are you aiming for a high-end gaming rig or a basic workstation? Your answer will dictate the components you'll need. Research the parts that are best suited to your needs and make sure they are compatible with each other. Step 2, gather your components. You'll need a few essential parts: the heart of the computer, the central processing unit or CPU, the brain if you will. Then there's the motherboard, which connects all the parts together. The RAM or random access memory, which temporarily stores data for quick access. The hard drive or solid state drive for long-term storage. A power supply unit to give life to your machine. A cooling system to keep things from overheating. And finally, a case to house all these components. Step 3, it's time for assembly. Start by installing the CPU into the motherboard. Next, attach the cooling system on top of the CPU. Then, install the RAM sticks into their dedicated slots on the motherboard. Now it's time to place the motherboard into the case, securing it with screws. After that, install the power supply unit in its designated spot. Connect the cables from the power supply to the motherboard, CPU, and other components. Finally, install the hard drive or solid state drive and connect it to the motherboard. Step 4, it's all about the software now. Install an operating system like Windows, Linux, or macOS, depending on your preference. Then, install the drivers for your components. These are software that help your hardware communicate with your operating system. Finally, update your operating system and any other software to their latest versions. To summarize, building your own computer involves planning, gathering components, assembling the parts, and installing the software. It might seem like a lot, but each step is straightforward and manageable. And the reward? A custom-made machine that fits your needs perfectly. So, why not give it a try? It's a great learning experience and a fun project to undertake. Plus, the sense of accomplishment when you power on your self-built computer for the first time is simply unbeatable. So, go ahead, plan, gather, assemble, install, and enjoy your very own custom-built computer.